Hello there and welcome to Lower 6 Further Maths A-Level Pure Core 1 past paper, June 2012. We're looking at question 7. This question is new to Pure Core 1, so I've added this question in myself. By constructing and solving a suitable matrix equation, show these three planes intersect at a single point and find the coordinate of that point. So if they intersect at a single point, then I must be able to form a matrix, x, y, z as the variables, find an inverse for that matrix, and pre-multiply on the other side of my equation. So the matrix is 7, minus 4, 2, 3, 2, minus 6, 1, minus 1, 1. So 5 marks. I'll make sure I write out all of my steps. So pre-multiplying my matrix onto the other side, or the inverse of it anyway, x, y, z will equal the inverse of 7 minus 4, 2, 3, 2, minus 6, 1, minus 1, 1, of 35 minus 17, 8. And the first matrix needs to be inversed. And what's happened here is, let me write it out for you, ax equals b, pre-multiply my matrix equation by inverse a. So x, these two here are going to cancel, because a inverse times a is itself. So my x matrix, the x, y, z, is going to equal the inverse a times b on this matrix here. Now let's get up our calculator. Matrix mode, type in the 3 by 3 matrix above. Then we need to clear that and click on options. You want option 1 to define a new matrix, option 2 to select matrix B, select a 3 by 1 matrix and type in its values, and then you want to write out this on your calculator. And the way you do that is you would select the options value, select option number 3 to recall matrix A, select the -1 power button on your calculator and that will invert it for you, and then multiply by option number 4 to select matrix B there. Press enter on your calculator and you get your answer. X, Y, Z equals 7, 8, 9. So the answer to my simultaneous equation is x equals 7, y equals 8, and z equals 9. Not too bad for 5 marks.